Hi, welcome back to my channel. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland. I have my front door open, so you may hear some cars drive by. This is a quick video I call After the Pin to show you how I use the Happy Planner, my cousin, and in here I have my A6 Weekly Supplement for last week. So let's start off with my Happy Planner. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that this is sort of my everyday planner for the week. Let's go up here. So this is for this week. Today's Tuesday. So this is what it basically looks like. I'm retaking another online class, so I need to fill this part out. Packages over here. And this is basically how I break it down for myself. I don't generally pre-plan because I'm basically home most of the time. And this is for last week. So this is my Happy Planner. Next we'll go to the A5 Cousin Hobonichi. This is my Cookie Monster cover. And in here, this was meant to be like my doodle journal, you know, with the prompts from Hobonichi. Hobonichi prompts from other Hobonichi users, other journals that want to, you know, doodle and write about your stuff. And so I have been doing stuff off and on, but this is the weekly layout. This is for this week. So today's Tuesday, so I need to start filling this part in. Yesterday was Bruce's cardio checkup, and that was kind of so-so. I need to talk to the cardio vet assistant because I have some more questions about what happened yesterday. And then packages over here. This is for last week. I use page flags. A couple of the stickers are from the Happy Planner. Some of them were stickers I made myself. And then these were, I purchased from Michaels, but I can't remember who the creator is. And then washi tape I either picked up from Daiso or the Japanese shop at Epcot at Walt Disney World. I can't remember. And then these are just page flags that I picked up from Daiso. So this is the Cousin Weekly layout. The monthly thing, if I was doing the doodles, I would, let's see, so I'm not doing anything for September, so that's why it looks like this. But this was August. And I just write down the prompt. Didn't do anything for July. June, I think, was Sanrio. That was the challenge. And the challenges you can generally find on Instagram. If you type in hashtag Hobonichi challenge, you should come up with a bunch of prompts. And there's different prompts for like drawing, lettering, anything that you kind of want to do. And now let's go to the daily pages. So today's the 14th. I have pictures on my cell phone that I need to print out to put in here because, again, yesterday was Bruce's checkup. So I plan to put in some photos that I took of him in the car and then write down my thoughts. So I didn't get a chance yet to fill in the pages or really decorate them. So all I did instead was print out the photos. I have a Canon selfie. I think it's like version 3. It's an older Canon selfie. I've owned it for a few years. But so this is Bruce. My niece moved into her dorm for college, so she's behind the shoe. This is a picture of the orchid that I've had for more than 20 years, and it's finally bloomed. So I had to take his picture. This is me and Bruce back here behind these other shoes. This is the cat. It's his toe, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's something stuck in his toe. So I don't know what he got caught up in outside. And there's another picture of Bruce. And then my sister's cat. And then that's the neighborhood cat. And then just wrote down stamps. And this is what I flipped through, I think, like 2 weeks ago or something. And the last thing I want to share with you, this is the A6 leather cover that's supposed to go with the 5-year Hobonichi. But if you've seen my 5-year Hobonichi diary book, Techo book, it doesn't fit in this thing because I filled it up with photos. So it has 4 years of photos right now. So instead in here, I have the A6 Weekly Address Book, which I won't show you, but I will show you how small it is. So that's this little guy right here. This is the A6 Weekly Supplement. And then, let me see, let me pull this back out. And, okay, well, I can't show you, but this is the A6 blank notebook. So I'm using this for my medical history information journal. So if you look at it like that, you can see how small it is. And that little A6 notebook should last me for the rest of my life. But let me show you the A6 Weekly Supplement. So initially when I bought this, this is my 2nd year using it. Let me just show you how you could decorate it. So this was back in February. I went crazy with the stickers, the washi tape, and this was really an abbreviated look of this in here. And I was having a lot of fun with it. But then I did stop using it because it was a little time consuming to repeat the information that I had in here into here, and then sometimes into my Cousin Weekly, that particular layout. So with Bruce being sick, I decided to use it for Bruce. As I said before, he has a heart murmur, which we knew about after we adopted him. It'll be 4 years in October that we've had him. But after we adopted him and took him to the vet, we discovered that he had a heart murmur, and instead of returning him to the rescue, we decided to keep him because if you've seen Bruce and if you were around him, you'll realize he's a really good dog. He's had a really rough life before we got him. And so anyways, he had an issue a couple weeks ago. We saw a cardiologist. We started him on medication. And so yesterday was the checkup. And we have to increase his dose of medication because his heartbeat isn't where the cardiologist would like it. And so I need to keep track now of his medication. And so he gave us something to try for 1 week, and then we're going to switch it up next week. So this is how I'm doing it for him. Up here on top is how often he goes to the bathroom, because the vet does ask about that, as I've said before. This is his pill that he needs to take. And then I wrote down exactly what he's taking in the morning and at night, and how much, the milligram of the pill. And he's supposed to be on it for a week. And so I marked it down into next week. And then after that, we are going to up one of the dosage. And so I want to keep track of this in his book. So this is for this week for Bruce. This is for last week. And I was having problems with placing my order with Chewy. So this is last week. And so for 2022, I decided to get a weekly supplement for Bruce so that I can keep track of his medication, and then again, just generally what he's taking, if he used the bathroom at all. And then I also got him a blank A6 Weekly notebook, so I can also create a sort of a health journal for him, so that when I talk to the cardiologist or to the regular vet, I can flip through it and have dates and stuff, and tell them this is what happened or didn't happen, whatever, that kind of information. But that's it. This is a quick after the pin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more after the pin videos of my different planners. The next video I'm going to try to create is my Hobonichi haul for 2022. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Bye.